This video explains how to set up Windows print driver in Xerox B105 and B115 Multifunction Printer. Ensure that the printer is plugged in, powered on, and configured with valid IP address. To download the print driver setup file, visit www.support.xerox.com. Alternatively, open the web browser on the computer and type in the IP address of the printer. The EWS page opens. In EWS, go to Support. Support links, drivers, and downloads. This will go to the driver download page. To download the driver file, select I agree to the terms and conditions and select Download. Run the downloaded print driver file. In the Install window, select Install Software. Select the printer connection type as USB connection, network connection, or wireless network connection. For USB connection, connect the printer to the computer with a USB cable. For network connection and wireless network connection, ensure that both the computer and printer are connected to the same network. Are you setting up your printer for the first time? Tab. Select Yes, I will set up my printer's wireless network, and select Next. This will open the page for temporary USB connection and configuration of wireless settings. Select No, my printer is already connected to my network, and select Next. This will prompt the search for the printer. Once the printer is connected, select Next. Select the checkboxes for the software to be installed and select Next. The Installation tab opens to show the installation of the software. Once the installation is completed, the Setup Completed tab opens. Select Finish. The Windows print driver setup is completed successfully for Xerox B105 and B115 Multifunction Printers.